Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change or reset your Xiaomi account password. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Mi account is a service that stores some data information of Xiaomi users. It is also used for device security. You need to reset Mi account password when you forget it, because if you reset your device in this way, your device will be locked and you won't be able to open it because you don't know the password. In this case, you can use the website to reset your password. But in this video, I will show you if you want to change your Xiaomi account password. So first of all, of course, we have to open our settings on our Xiaomi phone. You can scroll down, you'll find the Xiaomi account option. You can tap on that. So here's my Xiaomi account. Here you can see account security. You can see the others. To reset your password or change your password, you can just tap on account security. Security info password, you can tap on that password here if you want to change your password. Xiaomi need to check whether your email address is valid to verify your identity. You can tap on send and you can wait until Xiaomi send you email, send you the code, so you can change your password, your Xiaomi password. We'll wait the email. So here's the verification code. You can copy the code and you can enter here. Tap on submit. Now you can enter your new password here. After you enter your new password, you can tap on OK. And now your Xiaomi password has been changed successfully. So that is how to change your Xiaomi account password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.